Low water pressure in the kitchen sink can be caused by several factors. One common reason is a clogged aerator, which is the mesh-like screen screwed onto the faucet head to control the flow of water. Over time, the aerator becomes clogged with debris and minerals, reducing the water pressure. To clean the aerator, it should be removed and any debris cleared using a brush. If the clog is severe, soaking it overnight in vinegar can help loosen the blockage, after which any remaining debris can be brushed away and the aerator reattached to the faucet. Another possible cause of low water pressure is a leak in the pipes, which can lead to more extensive plumbing issues if left unfixed, and should be addressed by a plumber as soon as possible. Additionally, local water supply problems can also be a factor, where issues with the water supply's system can result in low water pressure. In such cases, contacting the local water provider and waiting for them to resolve the issue is the best course of action. By considering these potential causes, it may be possible to identify and fix the problem, restoring normal water pressure to the kitchen sink.